Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys my projects for the Pinspiration 2020. This is a monthly collaboration that is being hosted by Kreationsby Kimber, where we come on the last Saturday of the month and we share a project that we were inspired by one of our Pinterest pins. So I'm getting ready to insert a picture so you guys can see where my inspiration came from this month. So as you can see the picture there, I decided to create some cards using the quilted background technique. So I was able to find some dies in my stash that I haven't played with, surprisingly. And so I pulled those out and created 4 cards to share with you today. So this is the first die that I played with. This is called Our Daily Bread Designs, and this is the quilted background. And I think they've recently changed their name to Divinity Designs. No, wait a minute. Divinity Designs. So yeah, this is one of their dies. I've had this in my stash for a while. And then I also pulled this one out, a quilted die that I had in my stash. This is by Gina Marie Designs. So I played with this. And then for my card base, I used Anna Griffin dies and used this die right here. I love her card creator dies. You just use that one die and create your card base. So those are the dies that I use, and I share the other products I use as I share my card. Also, you guys, make sure you open up the description box and follow everyone that is participating in this collab. You are definitely going to be inspired by what everyone creates. So I am looking forward to summer, you guys, with everything that is going on. It's been very challenging. I'm just ready for some sun. And so I decided to create some summer themed cards. And I created 2 summer themed cards right here using the Gina Marie die, quilted die. And here is the paper stack that I played with. I pulled out my 6x6 paper pad. And this is by Echo Park. And this is called Happy Days. So yeah. And this is an old paper pad. I hadn't played with this in a while. So I pulled this out. And then I also pulled out some stickers by Recollections that I had in my stash. Some of these lemon stickers. So here's the first card. This card is a little bit bigger than the die measures 4x4. So the card base is a little bit bigger than that. But this is what I came up with. You can see those beautiful colors and this beautiful pattern by using that die. I used some dimensionals to pop up the sticker, lemonade there. And I pulled out some ribbon from my stash to kind of coordinate with the colors in the card. It's very clean and simple, but I love how it turned out. And here's the back. It's in yellow. And then here's the inside. So I still have to put my message in the inside. And I also used that Dollar Tree foam board. I am loving that Dollar Tree foam board. I love the height and the dimension that it gives my cards. So that's a must now in my Crafty Stash, is to have the Dollar Tree foam board. So that's how this card turned out. I think it turned out super, super cute. I love it. And then here's the next card. And with this one, I just changed up I just changed up the color. Well, I didn't change up the colors, but the way that I laid everything down, I kind of changed it up. As you can see the differences. Like this one has more of the yellows in it. And this one has more of the turquoise in it. I think I like this one a little bit better. That has more of the yellow. I don't know, I really like that. So here's the sticker here. Again, I used some dimensionals to pop it up. Used the Dollar Tree foam board and created this card. Used the die for the background. And here's the inside of this card. And then here's the back. So those are my 2 summer themed cards. I love them. I love the colors. Love how these came out. So let me share the other 2 that I created. So I wanted to create a baby card. So I created this card right here. This card measures about 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, I believe. I think somewhere in there or close. But you can see the die that I use in the background. It also has stitching. And I think this card is so adorable. Let me share with you the paper that I used. I used this paper stack right here. This is the first edition. It's a boy. So I played with that. And then I played with these stickers right here for my recollections for the sentiment on the front of the card. So I played with that. And this is how the card turned out. Again, I used the Dollar Tree foam board to lift that card, give it some height. I am addicted to that now. And I'm running low, you guys. I'm going to have to throw my mask on and go to Dollar Tree. Because I have got to get some more that foam board. It's a must. And so here's that sticker. I also put dimensionals to raise up that sticker and make it dimensional. I used some ribbon from my stash and as well as a button. This cute button from my stash. I think this card turned out so pretty. And here's the back in a light blue. And here's the inside. So you guys, very simple, but I love this card. So I created one more baby card. I'm trying to get my card stash up. I'm going to come back and share some more cards with you. I wasn't able to get all of them finished that I had cut out. So when I get those done, I will come back and share those as well. So here's the baby girl card. And the papers I used for this card came from this stack right here. This is called It's a Girl. It's also a first edition. And I love how it turned out as well. I used the same, format. Just wanted it to match. And then I used this cute little buttons, some ribbon from my stash. You guys, this is so clean and simple, but it's so precious and cute. Here's the inside of the card, and here's the back. When I do my cards, I like to cover them on both sides. I don't know, it looks more finished to me that way. So those are my 2 baby cards that I created. And then my 2 summer themed cards right here. So that's my share for you guys today. I appreciate you stopping by to see what I created. Make sure you also visit the other ladies that are participating in this collaboration. And as always, make sure you do something with love and passion. Bye.